getting my tire fixed. And now we are rolling, all patched up and ready to go. Good morning, YouTube. Shoot, almost afternoon. As you can see, got a flat tire. Actually, I had the flat tire Sunday. I put a plug in it. It leaked. I put another little plug in it. And, you know, this is one of those kits, home kits. I mean, Walmart kits. Which, tire plug-in kit, which they work, but anyway, I was being lazy and I didn't take the tire off to do it, and I didn't get a good repair. And we went to lake last night and removed those bees, or most of those bees. I'll tell you that in a second. This morning when I got up, it was slow, so that told me my patch was leaking, and pulling this trailer and being on the interstate and driving, you know, an hour or better, I just wanted it fixed right. Anyway, all right, 3 o'clock is about when I went to bed this morning. Didn't wake up till 10 or 11. I don't know. What time is it? It's 11:50. So I guess I got up at a little before 10. Gotta go pick up my help. We're gonna go over to 1401 and do a little bit of work. Sorry, I'm trying to watch getting out here. Driving is more important than videoing for YouTube. Okay, or at least it should be. I'm gonna post this little video up. Gabby and I and Nikki went last night to lake, pull a beehive out. That was our third trip over there. First trip we went and looked. Second trip we went, took the siding off and decided that it was bigger than I had time to pull, bigger than I thought it was. So that was Sunday night. So last night we got over there, and I was running about an hour late trying to get there. We got there, started pulling it out. Now this is the fourth hive that I've messed with. But kind of the first one that I had. This is my second really tear out. My second little tear out. Phone just cut off. My second little tear out. The first one I kind of butchered up. We kept the bees. That's the bees we lost. Since then, learned a lot more. We pulled a dead hive out. We pulled a little small swarm that I left the box thinking give them a couple days. It was at the dentist's office. It was on Friday, and when I went back to get them Sunday night, they had moved on. I thought I had given them enough of a spot that they'd stay and set up, so I thought I was doing something good by leaving them in their area for a couple more days, when I should have just gone on and taken them home that Friday night when I went over there. Anyway, learning. So, and then we got the swarm that we got off the bush. So that's what, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Counting the dead out. So this is our 5th one. We're trying to save this one. It was even bigger. I kind of had an idea it was that big. It just took me longer. And there were more bees. I vacuumed so many bees. My vac system, I don't have a way of seeing how many bees I have in there. And I may have had plenty of room. It was late, midnight. We're like, we've got this little bit of comb left up there, and we decided just to leave it. I have no idea if I got the queen or not. Anyway, we're going to, this evening, get to the house. We're going to finish emptying my vac box. We set up our hive with their comb, a lot of that in there, and then some new 2 boxes where I've got the vac box sitting next to it open. Would have liked to have kept them a little longer, but just no ventilation, so that many bees, just not real sure. Anyway, just trying to work on my designs, and we're gonna empty the vac box this afternoon. Oh man, I wish I could just look for the queen. We're gonna look first. It's just, it's gonna be hard because we've got soft comb in there, theirs with a lot of honey, and it's hard to pick those up and look for the queen. We didn't have big enough rubber bands. Just some things that we're learning. We've watched a lot of YouTube videos. The wife has learned a lot, and she's wanting to do this, and it's pretty cool. I only wore protection for just a little while. It got hot, even the small one, and it just kind of in my way. I got one sting, and it was one that got trapped on my shirt. Now, I got bombed a few times. I swatted a few away from me. I knocked a few off of me. And it's, you want to stand and not flinch, but I also really don't want to get stung a bunch, so I'm going to do a little bit of flinching and a little bit of slapping and a lot of trying to just be calm and not be, like I said, swatting a lot of bees, and not getting all upset when they sting you, because it is what it is. And it's too hot. It's going to be too hot. It is too hot. It's only going to get hotter. Anyway, that's what we got going on. I'm headed to pick up the help. We're going to go to a 1401. I think I'm going to just post this video as a little Tuesday morning update. Y'all have a good day. Hippie out.